Hi everyone, we're again in the Torla Ordesa National Park and we're off on another adventure, a route among forests and these high mountains. Right behind me is the Monte Perdido peak, which is the largest here in the area, 3,355 meters. And we're going to see the Cinca Waterfall and Llanos de La Larri, and it's going to be a good route. I really highly recommend it. Already from the parking lot, this is amazing. And yeah, let's begin. The Valley of Pineta, located in the Pyrenees mountains and nestled in the Ordesa and Monte Perdido National Park, it is one of the most spectacular high mountain landscapes in Spain. It is the source of the Cinca River, one of the most impressive waterways in the Pyrenees, located in the province of Huesca near the town of Bielsa. From its green meadows to the rugged peaks that surround it, this glacial valley offers multiple hiking trails for all types of hikers. Among them, one of the most notable is a medium difficulty route, ideal for enjoying nature without requiring mountain experience. This adventure begins at the end of the Pineta Valley, where the Parador de Bielsa is located, the perfect starting point for those seeking a combination of comfort and direct access to nature. There is a huge parking space here, and it only costs €3 for the entire day. And this helps maintain this wonderful corner of nature. On this esplanade you'll find a kiosk where you can stock up on refreshments and an information office on trails that can be followed from the starting point. So we just got the map from the info point and we're here and we need to take the route towards the waterfall, the Cinca Waterfall. And then we're just going to get the route Montaspro to the Llanos de La Larri, which is kind of like a valley, but a flat valley. At the end of the valley we have the La Larri waterfall, and then all the way back here to the parking lot. So it's going to take us about 4 to 5 hours, and yeah, it's going to be amazing, I believe. So yeah, let's get started. From here, a clearly marked trail leads into the forest. From the first steps, you can feel the freshness of the surroundings, with the sound of the Cinca River accompanying you, and the shade of beech and fir trees protecting you. This first section runs through a dense and cool forest with a gentle slope that allows you to enjoy the surroundings without excessive effort. This is a particularly attractive section during the fall, when the foliage changes color, or in spring and summer with the explosion of greenery and wildflowers. So Juana says it's hard.
No, it's very hot.
And it's very hot. Not that hard, but it's very hot. It's about 30 degrees. It's in August. You should come here at the beginning of summer because the waterfall will be will have plenty of water, and the camera weighs like 4 kilos, and having it like this is not easy. Just come here, come to Spain. This is wonderful.
Yeah.
As you gain altitude, clearings begin to open up, allowing you to see the valley floor and the sheer walls surrounding it, such as the impressive north face of Monte Perdido. Small caves can also be seen high above. And remember that whenever you undertake a high mountain route, it is essential to be well equipped. Bring lots of water, especially in summer, sunscreen, appropriate footwear, and comfortable clothing adapted to the weather. Preparation is the key to safely enjoy the surroundings. Halfway through this first section, along some natural stairs, we begin the steepest climb with the aim of approaching the Cinca Waterfall. In this new section, we encounter different types of vegetation. From the lush forest to extensive area of low vegetation, specifically paths surrounded by ferns.
So guys, after a good hike, we finally almost reached the Cinca Waterfall. It's impressive, it's enormous. It doesn't have that much water because we're in August, but it's very beautiful. It's very recommendable to come here, even though the last bit is a bit steep and we still have a little bit to go. But it's amazing, and yeah, just come here, come to Spain.
The Cinca Waterfall, more than 100 meters high, originates directly from the Monte Perdido glacier and plunges into the void in an impressive curtain of water, creating a cloud of spray visible from much of the valley. The natural viewpoint towards the waterfall is an ideal place to pause, contemplate the surroundings, and enjoy the sound of the water mingling with the silence of the glacial cirque. After leaving the waterfall behind, the trail continues through the forest. Initially, it descends gently, but there are also steep ascents and descents towards the Llanos de La Larri. The Llanos de La Larri are a vast green plain of glacial origin, crossed by numerous streams that meander through the meadows. This is an ideal place to rest, have a picnic, or simply enjoy the scenery. The plains offer an idyllic mountain setting, with views down to the valley floor and surrounded by forests and peaks that exceed 2,500 meters.
So we have reached the Llanos de La Larri, or last stop until we go down to the parking lot. And it's beautiful. You just saw the wonderful scenery. And we're just going to go that way and down below to the car. It's been an awesome journey. And yeah, just come here, do the route. It's amazing.
In the center of the plains is a small shepherd's hut, formerly used as a shelter for the transhumans, that serves as a shelter for mountaineers. From the plains, the second part of the trail begins, the descent through the forest to the valley, our starting point. The path is well marked and follows a zigzag trail between beech, fir and pine trees. This forest is one of the best preserved ecosystems in the park, and walking through it is a complete sensory experience. At the end of the forest, the trail comes out just a few meters from the Parador de Bielsa. And here, a very peculiar little Romanesque church, known as the Hermitage of Our Lady of Pineta, can be seen. The route from the Pineta Valley to the Cinca Waterfall, passing through the Llanos de La Larri, is one of those hikes that combines the best of the mountains. My name is Alex Moreras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share and definitely subscribe to find out more amazing places to visit before you come to Spain.